Good morning. Thanks for clicking play on this video, and thank you to those few new subscribers. Welcome. I am driving, so maybe I shouldn't be doing this, but we are on our way to one of my prenatal appointments.
But we need to, Mommy, I need to go, doctor, we need to go.
Yeah, we're going to the doctor's. And I don't know if you guys remember, maybe I have to tell you guys again. The placenta, hold on Vera. My placenta is very near to the cervix, and so I've been on pelvic rest. So today at 32 weeks, is when they'll do an ultrasound again to see if the placenta has moved, or if we still have to keep an eye on it, or what. So anyway, so that's what we're doing today. We always have to get these girls some suckers so they stay still. We're gonna get a little ultrasound. Look here, though, it looks still pretty in place. So I think you have to still know ear colors. And then we'll look again. Okay, it's the next day, and I tried to record this yesterday, but I don't think it worked. The placenta is still very close to the cervix, and so I'm still on pelvic rest. And I have to go to another ultrasound place for them to do it there and figure things out. So I think I'm in the clear, but I gotta do what the doctor says. So anyway, we are in the garage playing around. Good job, Vera. Yeah, you're doing it. You're doing it. Keep coming this way. Keep coming. Okay, so what just happened?
I was able to finally get it started.
If you guys remember, we got this lawnmower a few weeks ago, and he cleaned it up. It's clean. I know it doesn't look clean, but it's very clean. And he's gonna get it started now.
I think so.
Finally.
It was just running, but we'll see.
I heard it. Sorry, I got him out. So it needs an air filter. We're gonna go get one so Daddy can mow the lawn. I guess he says it's kind of dangerous that it doesn't have a cover on it. Which we're trying to get the cover from the person who gave it to us.
Here?
Yeah.
What are you doing, dude? Okay, so we're here at a park that I came to. I was showed this when I first came. And we're just kind of exploring a little bit. And we found this cool stream. Look at that, Derek. That's all snow runoff. And there is some snow and stuff, but some trails. Let's go this way. Look, guys. Go check that out, Derek. Here, go. Look, even water coming down right here. Look at that. Oh, it smells good up here. It smells like just fresh, even like a campfire a little bit, you know? It smells so good.
We got this stroller, and I don't want to carry her.
Yeah, I can carry her. We need do you think she's still fit in the sling?
Let's go up there.
No?
Yeah, but she's
Let's
too
go
heavy.
up there.
Derek, we can't make it up there with the stroller. Oh, I see people way up there.
So there was a playground.
Well, it's nature's playground.
I want to
No, we'll meet you back over there.
Okay.
Vera, come on. Come with me. Wait for Vera. I'm not trying to move it. Hold her hand. Vera, you're gonna break my knuckle. Squeezing my finger so hard. Alright. Come on, guys. It's a hike. Ooh, it's all wet.
Yeah.
This is where it's running down.
We had some guns.
Guns? What would we do with the guns?
Hunt. We do
Here, let's go this way, guys. Hunt? What are we gonna hunt? Hunt, Eric? A dragon. There are dragons out here in the forest.
Yeah.
Like Pete's dragon.
Yeah.
Look. You see the stream, Derek? Here, let go of my finger. It's squeezing me. You see crawdads at all? It's a cold stream, Derek. Don't step in the water. Alright, let's go.
I got her. She's okay. Do you see the water?
Yeah.
You gotta go pee-pee?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Let's go. Let's go.
Check this out. Found this waterfall. And another bridge. What do you think of that waterfall, Derek?
Good.
No, you say that's really cool.
That's really cool.
He's chewing gum right now, so. But that is really cool. Well, I think we can get closer.
Daddy.
What? Hey, wait, hang on. We're gonna wait for Mommy, okay? Hey, I know.
Mommy, come here.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah! Isn't that cool? Let's go check it out.
Really cool.
But look at this. Look, there's like a platform up there.
Oh.
Isn't this
Mommy,
cool?
come here. What's Aria doing?
Yeah. Oh, come on, girl.
See the water up there?
Careful, Aria.
It's a waterfall.
Okay, let's go see it, guys. Come on, this way. Come on, guys. Let's leave that there. Yeah. Want me to take her?
I can take her for a little
Okay. Go follow Derek. Go get him. Run. That is so cool. I walk up here and I'm on the bridge and then I'm like, whoa.
So we're back home, and you might laugh at us for this, but I don't care. We got 3 lawnmowers now, and they all don't work, but one of them is bound to work, right, honey?
This one runs. I can actually go mow, right?
Yeah, yeah,
It has no pull start, so I started with the drill.
yeah.
And
And these other 2, we just haven't had a chance to look at them, but I mean, they look decent. So, if we can get a mower for free, we're going to.
it's something fun for me to do too.
Yeah, he likes working on these types of things, so.
Mommy.
I think this is supposed to be like
You don't,
this.
we're also having dinner in the garage with Daddy. We're just having tuna with chips.
Lawnmower garage.
Lawnmower
dinner.
garage dinner, yeah. We just got chips and we're just making it a simple dinner.
These are chairs.
Yes. And Aria fell asleep on the way home from getting the lawnmowers, so. We're just letting her sleep. We're all hanging out in the garage. It's fun. I guess I didn't explain myself earlier, but we did get the air filter for that one that Cameron was able to start earlier.
This one doesn't have a choke, so it's really weird.
So he can actually start mowing with that one, but the fact that it doesn't have a cover, you know, that's what makes it dangerous.
Runs, has a bent blade, and this one probably just needs a carburetor cleaned out.
But this one's self-propelled.
Yeah, it's got a drive system right here.
So anyway, that's our Saturday, guys. That's our fun. Our kind of fun, huh? These kids are still eating their dinner. Or more like just chips. And they eat like birds.
Hey!
He's mowing!
Ah! Eat your stuff.
Whoa. Uh-oh. Is everything okay?
Yeah, it's the throttle adjustment. It's because when I put the governor on, basically it's governing too much.
So it's running rich?
No.
I'll go get the drill.
I just wanted to say something that would make it seem like I knew what I was talking about.
Daddy! Daddy!
Yeah, get a small wrench there.
You don't need to snap at Daddy. Silly boy. Alright, he got it working.
Bag's full.
Is it? Already? Ay, ay, ay. The bag's full. That's why he had to stop it. It takes a while to start because we don't have a pull start. So he's been using the drill, just like you guys saw earlier.